Hey guys, everybody says I posted a video a couple days ago. I didn't post it already, but if you guys don't know, I am ore farming this past days because I have a friend. It's spam stealing brain rot. For somehow every day, somehow he gets some good pets like Luchelalitos. Some secrets and some brain rot guides most often. Max look into the brain rot. There's one item he somehow got. He got a Dragon Cannonoli. He got a whole 3 story of them somehow. And he gave them all to me. But once I learn how to